Meaning of gastronomically.
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 Gastronomically. Gastronomically is an adverb that relates to gastronomy, the art and science of good eating. It describes something in terms of culinary experiences, such as food, drink, or dining. Food can be described as gastronomical when it is prepared with exceptional skill, presented beautifully, and tastes delicious. A gastronomical experience can be lavish, indulgent, and memorable, making it a sought-after experience for foodies around the world. To put it simply, gastronomically means relating to the pleasures of good food and drink, making it a word to aspire to when it comes to dining experiences.